what are some of the key strategies for people to be thinking about, in terms of ways for reducing this impact of stress? Because, I mean, to some extent, like you said, in order to have a fun, exciting job, you're going to have some level of stress.
Yeah.
So what can we do to mitigate some of the impact?
Well, so what I would certainly want and make sure we get in this conversation is, before we have strategies, you've been in the industry now, whether you've been in 5 years, 15 years, 25 years. If you don't know something called your heart artery calcium score, you're not in the game of being responsible to your health, your family, and your business, unless you've had a bypass, a heart attack, and a stent, and you're listening to this, in which case, of course, you have heart disease. Hopefully you have wrapped around you a good cardiologist, maybe a good cardiac rehab or gym program, and hopefully some exposure to the work of Dr. Dean Ornish, or NISHMD, on the mind, body, diet, fitness approach, a great book of 2019 he wrote called Undo It, that I would recommend to those heart patients out there. But if you believe it's 2020 and you have no heart disease, you need to get your local hospital and you need to have a CT scan called a calcium CT scan, 10 seconds, boom, quick picture of your heart. It comes out 0. You have no calcium in your arteries. You're 99.9% protected from badness for the next 5-10 years. And if that number comes back 50 or 500 or 1,500, you've got silent and serious, potentially serious heart disease. And you need to know that and get with somebody that knows what to do next, even if you feel good, because heart disease does not give clues to executives very often until the day they start feeling awful and call 911, or even the day they drop dead at their desk, in their bed, on the tennis court, or on a vacation. So get that test. It's about $100.
Real quick, that's a CACS, the
Coronary Artery Calcium Score.
Good.
Most cities require a prescription at the local hospital. State of Texas, every citizen gets one for free at age 50. Very progressive.
Oh, cool.